Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're switching from an Android phone to an iPhone and using an eSIM, one of the biggest questions is how to transfer your mobile plan smoothly. Unlike physical SIM cards that you can simply move between devices, eSIM works digitally, which makes the process a bit different. Many users expect a quick transfer option, but depending on your carrier, you may need to follow specific steps or reactivate the eSIM on your new device. This can feel confusing if you're not sure where to start or whether your plan will carry over automatically. The good thing is that once you understand how the process works, transferring your eSIM becomes straightforward and only takes a few minutes to complete. Try these. Step 1. Check that your carrier supports eSIM transfer between Android and iPhone. Step 2. Remove or deactivate the eSIM on your Android device. Step 3. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Cellular, then add eSIM. Step 4. Scan the QR code provided by your carrier or use their app. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions to activate the eSIM on iPhone. Step 6. Confirm network connection and test calls or data.